What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing Goku and Vegeta close up with those jackets on, in the Broly movie. So those slick jackets that they only wore that one time and you never see them again. It was interesting. But let's give it a go. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Goku over this side, Vegeta in behind him on this side. So we're going to start with Goku. Now both their heads are Vegeta's not as much of a head tilt. Goku's head is like real tilted to going this way, okay? So we're going to start with this W shape in the middle of the forehead. And we're just going to go down, around, up. It's going to be U there, but we'll just do another line in the middle. Just to make it look like that frowning W shape. So then the eyes come out from there. So up. This way, like a tick or a check mark going out, down, like so. And then thick on the end, so thick line this way, and then it's going to go down and get gradually skinnier as we go. And back into this frowning area. Like that. I'll do the same on the other side. So another sort of curving check mark going this way. Kind of more or less the same. Goes up, down, thick on the end, and then gradually getting skinnier as we go down. Like so. Okay, typical Dragon Ball eyes. So then we're not in Super Saiyan mode or anything like that, right? So it's like standard big Goku eyes. So, so pretty much kind of like coming from here. We go down and then across like that. And then his iris just under here, like so. I'm going to do the same thing pretty much over this side. Out, down, and then comes across, and then his iris under there. Okay, so nose, slightly over to the left, we'll do a curved line down like so. And then it goes in to a point and back up. Kind of this sort of hook sort of shape. And then they draw in the shadows on the side of the nose in Dragon Ball, so it goes out, down into there. And then we got like some cheek marks coming across. Just these kind of lines coming across his cheek. That kind of thing there. And then his mouth. So typical Dragon Ball flat mouth at first. And then it curves down there. Curves down here. And then a shadow just underneath his bottom lip. Like so. He could have like some frown lines as well. Sort of like some forehead kind of stuff. But his hair comes over most of that. So we can't see his chin, right? So he's got this big collar that just cuts across the chin here, curves around this face area, and goes up underneath his hair on both sides, right? So his jaw just comes out that way, that way. Then we go up the side of his face. And we can see ears, so his ear will come out from the top here. Real big ears in Dragon Ball. There. And this one is behind his hair. So we've got like a hair spike here. And then the ear comes out here. That, and then his neck down there. And then we can see ear lines and stuff inside. So like so. Another one here. Something else on the inside. It's like a little hole, and then there. Like that. Maybe like a neck muscle line there. There. And then some more ear lines over here. Starting like that, and then down there. Line down and up. Another line down and up. And then the interior. Just a wrinkle line there. Right, so the rest of Goku's fringe then. So comes across, up, like that. And then comes down across his head here. Like so. And then another one comes down across his eye. There. Back up. Like that. And then he has like a single strand of hair that comes down across his eye here. Then another hair spike out, in, back up, in. And then the rest of his hair just comes out from behind his ear and goes off the top of my page, right? So short spike out there. And in the, in the Broly movie, their hair is like being blown all over the place. So another one there. And then this goes off that way. And then we can just see short spike going that way. And then all that's in there then is like these gray highlights. So we'll draw those in. So we go like down here, back up, down there, back up. So these are gray. Just to show that there's a bit of light going on. There. And then on his fringe as well. There, and maybe like another one coming in this side of his head somewhere. Like here. Right, so then the rest of that jacket, right? So big collar, comes down, bumps there. And then got a collar sort of shape going across here. And then this goes down, there's like a tied section here. And then this goes around the back of his collar. So here and then down around there. There. And then the front goes down that way. And then the other side up, and then another line inside there, another one goes around there, and he's got a shoulder comes down this way, and another one going off here, right? So shoulder that way, and then like fold line coming in here, another sort of zip line or something, like some sort of strap on the jacket that way, and then like a white band going across the top of the shoulder, and then more shoulder line over here. So down and in, down and in, down, fold line there, another fold line here. And he has a white piece of white, different color coming across these bumps. Like so. Choo. Up. Right, that's Goku. So we go over and do Vegeta. So over here in behind, right? So same sort of thing again, right? So we just start with this frown. So we go down around, up. And then it has a line in the middle. And then the eyebrows come out from here, okay? So another thick sort of curving line, check marker up to there. And then square end, and then back in, getting skinnier as we go. And up. And he has like some hairlines on the end. I don't think Goku does. Well, maybe he does. Just kind of there. All right, and then the other one. Square end. Down. Onto there. And then some hairlines just on the end. Like so. Vegeta's eyes aren't like Goku's in his base form, so they're kind of like Super Saiyan eyes. So short line, long line, and then you just join those together with a curved line. And then his iris here, which is just black anyway. And then same on this side, long line, short line, and then we'll just bring those together. And then his iris, just there. Right, so Vegeta's nose, over sort of just on the right, goes down. Same type of nose as Goku, like a hook, coming around like that. And then we just add the shadow on the side of his nose here. Pretty much the same mouth, real close to his nose. Across, down, across, down. But then some shadow underneath his chin. There, like a mouth line there. Then we also have cheek marks. Just here. And his chin is cut off as well by his jacket. So again, another line that just comes around the bottom of the face. All right, like so. And then his jaw will go out from here, up. And then on this side, we can see a little bit more. So it goes there and up. Like there, so it's kind of different on this side of his face. So on this side we have an ear and a smaller ear on this side. So his ear will go out, down, real close to the eyebrow here, just across from it, down around like that. And the ear on this side will come out, down. So his head is kind of turned away from us a little bit on this side, like so. And then details inside the ears. Inside there. Like that. And then his neckline Comes down from his earlobe, sort of here somewhere. And you have a shadow there. Then the other side of his neck here. And then some more ear lines just inside here. Okay, so then Vegeta's hairline is different to Goku's, right? So he's got this big V in the middle that goes around to the side of his head and his sideburn. So like, say there's like sideburn here. Can't really see it on this side, it's just like goes up that way. So the V sort of curves with the middle of his head, right? So it's like here, starts to go up that way. He's got some lines in the middle of his head and some sort of frown lines there. So this will go up, around, and then down to this V. And then on this side, up, around, down, again. And we can see a line for the side of his head here. So more hair spiking out this way. And then this one goes up. So like a spike here, back in. Off that way. And then he just has like these gray highlights just here. And maybe like a hairline going out that way. But the rest of that is just black, it seems. Yeah, and like gray highlight just here. Okay, and that's pretty much all there is of Vegeta's hair. So in this color, like Goku's, kind of closed in the middle here, so it's got this it's like Velcro closed over section just here. And the middle of the jacket comes down like that. Then the other side of the collar out here, down. Like so. Shoulder going that way, shoulder on this side. Like so, and then like lots of folding jacket lines. And then another line on the middle of his jacket like this, where the jacket closes over. And line there, 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 there. Maybe like his hand is folding over here or something. And that is everything. That's how to draw Goku and Vegeta in their snow jackets. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.